Got leftovers? Transform them easily into creative fresh meals. Create chicken tacos with leftover grilled chicken, salsa, and herbs. Transform leftover mashed potatoes into golden, crispy pancakes. Create simple rice balls using leftover boiled rice, butter, and mild spices. Make a veggie quesadilla with leftover salsa, adding cheese for a quick, tasty meal. Use leftover black beans to make a delicious black bean quesadilla. Turn leftover chickpeas into a flavorful falafel wrap with fresh veggies. Make falafel pita pockets using leftover falafel, adding fresh veggies and sauce. Fill pita bread with fresh veggies and sauce to make veggie pita pockets. Sushi rolls from leftover rice can be made with a variety of flavors and choices. Make shrimp fried rice with leftover rice, shrimp, and veggies. A burrito combines various leftovers into one tasty, customizable wrap. Frittata muffins are egg cups with veggies and cheese, baked to perfection. Pasta salad in skewers, adding veggies and cheese for a fun twist. Transform mac and cheese into baked muffins for a portable, cheesy treat. Veggie nuggets from mixed vegetables and seasonings for a crunchy snack. Turn lentil salad and mashed potatoes into a comforting shepherd's pie. Make bread pudding from leftover bread for a delicious dessert. Turn chapati into nachos by cutting and baking with any kind of toppings like salsa. Create delicious masala bread upma using leftover bread and spices. Transform leftover rice cakes into spicy mini rice cakes with seasonings and a quick fry. Create pizza bread with leftover salsa, cheese, and your favorite toppings. Make a paneer kathi roll with leftover paneer tikka, wrapped in a tortilla. Turn leftover fried eggs into fried egg rice with your choice of herbs. Create chicken fried rice with leftover grilled chicken, veggies, and spices. Turn leftover kidney beans curry into a flavorful rice dish by mixing with some spices. Create curd rice with leftover rice, yogurt, and with some spices tempering. Create pav bhaji with leftover mixed vegetables, spices, and enjoy with pav. Make colorful carrot rice using leftover carrot salad mixed with rice and spices. Use carrot salad to make a moist, flavorful carrot cake. Use chili soya chunks to make flavorful, grilled soya skewers. Use leftover noodles to make crispy and delicious spring rolls with fresh veggies. Use Szechuan chicken to make a spicy Szechuan chicken hot dog with your favorite toppings. Use peas and potato curry to make delicious katori chaat. Transform leftover mashed potatoes with spices and breadcrumbs to veggie potato patties. Turn mashed potatoes into cheesy potato balls with breadcrumbs and spices. Turn leftover mashed potatoes into crispy potato triangle puffs or spicy samosas. Turn leftover fried potatoes into spicy, tangy chili potatoes for a flavorful twist. Mashed potatoes can be used as a delicious filling for stuffed parathas. Potato puffs are a great way to reuse leftover mashed potatoes. Make a tasty veg frankie by using leftover paneer, veggies, and spices. Turn kadai paneer into cottage cheese skewers by grilling with flavored veggies. Flatbread can be used with any filling, including for making delicious chicken rolls. Transform chicken tikka into flavorful seekh kebabs by grilling with spices and skewers. Cut leftover chapatis into strips to make quick, crispy noodles. Make a rice casserole using leftover rice, with veggies, cheese, and seasonings. Create a vegetable frittata using leftover veggies, eggs, and cheese. Make lasagna with leftover veggies in white creamy sauce, layered with cheese. Thanks for watching. Share your leftover recipes in the comments below.